So today, everybody is talking about cloud, but is this really the right choice for many companies? Because 94% of enterprises are overspending on the cloud report. Let's dig into it and let's discuss and let me give you a quick overview of how cloud may not be the right case for you. This is a report brought to you by HashiCorp Forrester, who asked some enterprises and they said they were overspending in the cloud due to a combination of factors such as underused and over-provisionized resources and lack of skills. And this is crucial to cloud because the cloud developers or the cloud or maybe the cloud companies that are giving people the ability to use the cloud, they have a lot of automation, have a lot of extra services, or you simply don't use all what you bought, and this is just sitting there in the cloud and you're not utilizing it because maybe, as it's stated here in the article, you don't have the right people for you to give you or to use this knowledge. And this is what it states here. Underused resources are among the top reasons for overspending, the report showed, with more than 66% of the respondents listing that this overusing is just overspending what they bought in the cloud. And this also followed by 59% that is claiming that they were lack of resources in the cloud and they needed more. 47% is saying that they needed more skills, and also because this is a huge issue with the cloud, because the cloud technology is fairly new, so therefore it's difficult maybe for the companies to hire the right people, because nowadays the cloud is new, so all the ones who are educated now, they get to know about the cloud, but before that this was perhaps a new thing for every developer out there, so they were not taught how to utilize it. And you could easily get going with it, and then you can let Microsoft do the work, or you can buy more, or Google or Amazon. You can buy a lot of good services, but perhaps you buy enough and you buy too much, expend too much, but there's not the right people to take care of this, perhaps because they maybe need to do other things also. So, and this is subscriptions that you will give over to the cloud provider, and it'll just you'll just be paying those without the right people to utilize all this stuff, because cloud can be a good way to get a lot of things, and is perhaps the way that we also get more security into it. So the enterprise, they know it, but then right now they're perhaps spending too much money utilizing the cloud. But this is perhaps a good thing also, because then they're ready to move to the cloud in the future. But I also read lately that other companies are going the opposite way of cloud, because also cloud sometimes they can be handled locally, and there you get what you get. So cloud is also being criticized to generally take too much money from the enterprises or the companies, because perhaps they need this only cloud for specific tasks. They need the cloud storage, for example, to just they are very good at estimating, or they simply don't need expansion and expansion, or the opposite, because these companies already know how much cloud and storage they need, so they don't need the cloud. Perhaps they need the security, but they can, if they have developers too, they can easily maintain that within their own company, or be in charge of that by themselves to store the databases and all this cloud technology. So cloud is good when you need flexible storage, you need to expand something, you don't know how you're going to use it in the future. So then this is perhaps not a worrying issue, what we read about, that people they don't utilize the cloud and they are expending too much, but this is just showing that we don't know enough about cloud, we don't have enough people out there. So get your education where you know about the cloud, or at least take some courses to find more about the cloud. This was all for today, so thank you very much. Hang on and let's see what's in the future.